In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of any image in Canva. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to customize their designs or give a unique touch to their images with just a few clicks. First things first, let's navigate to Canva and log into your account. If you don't have an account, creating one is simple and free, and it opens up a world of design possibilities. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva home screen. Under the search bar, you'll see an option for Custom Size. Go ahead and click that. We need to set up our canvas before diving into the image editing. For this exercise, we're creating a canvas that measures 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is a square format common for Instagram posts and ideal for experimenting with image colors. With your canvas size set, click Create New Design. This action will open a new design window, presenting you with a blank canvas ready to be transformed. Next, let's add an image to our canvas. On the left side of your screen, locate the Uploads tab. This panel lets you browse and choose a PNG image file from your device to upload into Canva. Once uploaded, select the image, and it will appear on your canvas. You might need to adjust its size. Simply click on the image corner and drag diagonally to resize, making sure it fits nicely within your 1080 by 1080 space. Now we've set up our canvas and image. It's time to change the color. Canva is equipped with a floating toolbar that automatically detects the colors present in your image. Click on the image to activate this toolbar, and you'll notice a color box or swatch. This box represents the current color settings of your image. When you click the color box, Canva will allow you to change it by offering a color palette for selection. Feel free to explore and choose a color that best suits your creative vision. Once you've mastered this with one image, let's practice with another. In the top toolbar, hit Add Page. This opens a fresh canvas beneath your current design. Again, head to the Uploads tab on the left and select another image to insert. After placing the second image, repeat the color-changing process. As before, adjust the image size so it fits your new canvas. For images that are more complex, the color recognition might not be as precise. The floating toolbar will still enable you to make adjustments, but the results may vary depending on the image's intricacies. Don't hesitate to experiment, as there are countless color combinations to explore. Remember, practice makes perfect, and with Canva's versatile tools, the creative possibilities are virtually endless. Now it's your turn to try it. Dive into Canva, have fun with colors, and make those images truly yours.